Welcome to official SLTV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listening to this audio. The people in our salon today are Saturday, March 15, 2025, with me on a humble servant, Piero Samora.
Unayeri?
As today, March 15, don't mark inside the same 15 days inside the holy month of Ramadan. Today, before I go on the headlines of my audios, I want to give a big thanks to we brothers and sisters within at the diaspora, the positive Sierra Leone, we based at the diaspora. People they can at the aid of the needy during this holy month of Ramadan. One for telling a plenty thank you. We also they pray that the goodness within inside this holy month of Ramadan, may God put on our basket. The goodness who they look for this world and next world, may God give we and the benefit within inside this holy month of Ramadan, may God mark the reward for we. The people who are the help today, not the able pay una. Now only the Lord Almighty Allah, now able mark the goodness we want for mark for una. We they pray that
This
goodness will
one
all
the
the wish for
big
ourselves and
problem.
this world and next world, may God give you. At the end of this world, the Jannatul Firdaus we look for, we ask the Lord Almighty Allah, may God give you. May God answer we prayers, then may God answer we fasting the inside this holy month of Ramadan. The people in our salon today, I get two message for Uni again. My first message now today, as I've been done say, I forgive a big thanks to we positive Sierra Leone brothers and sisters we based in the diaspora. And I also today go can talk to the membership and the peaceful Sierra Leoneers. We want for the member of the APC, we want for join the APC, and we want for take the membership of the APC. And they encourage you now for make una go out
So I don't know you
and be
lying.
part of the ongoing registration and verification process where they can go on the APC. And I also go can talk to the APC people today. We don't see people and they we say they learn book, people and the way say they understand. Today and then allow themselves to be fooled by the fools. I believe say una go able understand what at the same here. People will not get common understanding. People will not go school, they not sabi interpret common sentence, they not able present and interpret to the public. Today we dey see people wey say they understand, people wey say don't live in the civilized world, people wey say don't live in the diaspora, people wey say even them dey salon but they understand and go school. Then they allow no compunk good for nothing, but the way not sabi the left to right, only they survive and then they look for the social media. Then they allow them to burn them for Canada social media today, for carry them away, fools them. Now that make today, and they can't talk to una. For let una the people that we expect much from. Today una they allow una self for be fooled by the fools. Una pay attention and focus. But before I go on with this message, I want to continue for encourage every Sierra Leone for inform una say a new book the way will come out very soon. This book they call Legacy of Leadership. We brothers and sisters we come together for produce this book, for make this book reach we. Then call the group Council of Progressive Sierra Leone. This Council of Progressive Sierra Leone, now we brothers and sisters will they live in the diaspora, and some of them they in the country. Then we brothers and sisters then say, then go come out for compliment good people. People where they begin responsibility for annual ministry, department, and agency yesterday. People where they be make ambassador, and people where they be hold strategic positions there. Then people and they been team up for seek the interests of the poor masses. Then people have been there yesterday for serve in the interest of their country. Now that make then we brothers and sisters then come together, they name themselves Council of Progressive Sierra Leone. They name this book legacy of leadership. This legacy of leadership, he go come and explain to me and you too how His Excellency, the former president, the blessed, the anointed, the man we put in grace and blessing upon, will not to any other person, but His Excellency, the former president, Dr. Ernest Blessing, anointed by Kuruma. Then we come and explain the things that we Ernest Kuruma do, we make it become one of the progressive president ever in the history of a country who don't get. Then we come and explain the thing that they told we. Because when we as APC commentators, social media activists, then can come and say this today, the SLPP then can come and say, now we party with the publicity, we do publicity for. They say now we big one that they can praise. When we the sober-minded people are waiting at social media will come and say this today, the SLPP then can say now papi so. Well, these now people that not belongs to no political party. These now people that not get connection with any politicians in the country. These now people that don't live in the diaspora, don't make them money. These now people that not get interest in any politics in our country. Now then don't come together, say they're able to identify Ernest Kuruma in government as one of the positive and sober-minded government who don't get ever in the history of that country. And then go come and bring things that to una who been done they bring to una yesterday. But some people not they accept because they say we na APC people and na propaganda. Well, people we not belongs to a political party. Now they get for can bring them things then they to una me people. Una go see them now this book we then call Legacy of Leadership. The infrastructural development,
This
the
one
electricity, the
big
pipe-borne water, the free health care, the school feeding programs that we been they go, the subsidies the way Ernest Kuruma and government been they pay for the various schools, colleges, and university. The tertiary institutes the way Ernest Kuruma in government build across the country. The market the way Ernest Kuruma in government extend at the various districts, various zones and communities and villages there. The pipe-borne water where the chiefdom headquarters them only benefit across the country today. The 24-hour uninterrupted solar electricity where the chiefdom headquarters them only benefit across the country today. So many things than they and so many more. We Ernest Kuruma in government succeed for do. Then people are going to indicate most of these things now the book. So now patient as anytime this book go they out. Whether we brothers they name the book Legacy of Leadership. And then when they present this book to me people then your name na Council of Progressive Sierra Leone. My people in a salon before I go on with this message today, I believe say the witch then don't come na the tongue. The witch then don't can confess waiting una been the cause way for. The witch then don't can confess waiting una been the put allegation now we aid for. The witch then don't can confess waiting been the tell una we una take we as bad people. The witch then don't can explain waiting una be malice way for. The witch then don't can explain waiting be make una remove we na some of una young groups that una become admit to. The witch then don't can explain waiting some of una stop for give una helping hands therefore. Well, the people who have been the hail, the people who have been the praise, the people who have been the support, the people who think say they fight the right cause. Now then don't come na the media, don't can expose everything who been done they tell una tigade. Who been done they tell una tigade say this woman when a ghost, people know they see her in person. Now in voice normal we go hear. We go call people and tell people and say when Samura Kamara become president, na Ingo can set up Samura Kamara in cabinet. Na Ingo can decide whether them for give job. Na Ingo can decide whether them for give appointment. Na Ingo for can decide how Samura Kamara in government do work. Where this Sumaya is sidon at the diaspora. The send in picking them for can cause mami cause. The send in young picking them for can life and people. The send in grand picking them for can life and defamate people and character, blackmail people and character. But this woman they take advantage of then in $20, then in $30, then in $50, we can set for group of people and say, una share am between una self, let una cause people and life and people we na not to any other person. But this mami we una can call Auntie Kadi of USA. This woman Kadi of USA, we been done they tell una say this woman not the fight again in cause. We been done they tell una say all the problem within at the APC today, this woman na one of the pioneer and one of the engineer behind them problems there. Una say we ungrateful. Una say this woman lile nothing they pagi, then we don't can turn against until the world. We been done they tell una say the APC big pass everybody. No matter what they do for me. When they go against the APC, as he say they try for destroy the APC. As he say you the team up before the unity will the wish for this party. Me and you to not a party. And like they say now you not the policy way go make me gently. I not go tolerate or encourage you. Because the only hope for the people of Sierra Leone today now the APC in Kamwa in governance. The only hope we Salone people and get today now for let the APC come in governance. If you say you know they embrace unity in that APC, if you say things the way go scatter that APC, now no more you the finance or support. If you say mami cause now you the support inside the APC, you think say now because of the disunity, we go there inside the party now through that for popular. I not believe say yeah PRO Samura go dey on the same program. I not believe say me and you two go able load na the same boat.
This one,
I not believe say me and you two go able dip
na
on the
big,
same
big
activities.
problem.
Now this we been done they tell una yesterday. Una say we ungrateful. Una say we the ungrateful this woman. Una say we the ungrateful to people away in the help we. Well, the people who have been together money for every month, they finance them, they support them. For Life and the APC executive, cause the APC executive, defamate people and character, go after people and the party, go after prominent people and where they spend their resources day and night. For say this party continue for sustain and this party continue for move on. Una they finance them bobode. For let them do all them danger things there. Una no go send una family member them for do more. But una take advantage of the poverty. Una take advantage of the uneducatedness where them people are not educate. Una take advantage of the lawlessness where the people not get common understanding. Just because of the triangleness in the country. Una they give them people ya chop money just because of that bad thing where una they tell them for do and then self they do one. Now them people and then don't come out, don't can explain them, expose themselves. Don't can tell una about this woman, this Kadi of USA, how na a dictator. Any group where in the peace not go there. Now, but me people and this not a new thing to una. We don't tell una all thing there yesterday. But una come after we, una say we ungrateful. Una say we na bad people. Well, the one that una been done the support for a far too long. Now then don't can expose this woman so many people. What una get for say about things that will be done they tell una before. Things that will be done they tell una today. Now them people una take as the best people and they don't can endorse what will be done tell una yesterday say this woman Kadi of USA una can call Auntie Kadi of USA. Now in the behind all the problems that way in at the APC. Now then they finance all the difficulties where they go on at the APC today. Now then they finance every kulala, calamity, disaster where they go inside the APC. All the mami cause inside the APC now this Kadi of USA, the Yebo Koromade, the Mike Kamara, the Kebi na England, this na the squad. All the challenges, the problem where they inside the APC today. This na the people where they finance them, but them for undertake all the activities there. Life and people cause people and mama them continue from misinform and disinform negative and false messages then at the social media. Then self don't can add me, then don't can add me there, don't can endorse. We all don't listen to Mohamed Moriba in message then this there. We in self don't come out and explain everything what been done they tell una they deny. Mohamed Moriba don't can endorse that. We all don't listen to APC Maleka. In self don't can explain. We now all una way been they cause me. I accept most of una way don't call me. Una don't apologize, accept una apology. This na the only month of Ramadan. And me na Muslim. I know they keep grudge forever. When he do bad, I tell you the bad. No matter what you think. When he say sorry in the name of Islam, I dey forgive you. So I want for accept una always don't come, don't ask for apology. Say, waiting all I been done they tell una. Now the people who have been the hail themselves don't come and endorse me statement about them people yeah where they finance them people and for undertake all them bad things then at the APC. I appreciate una apologies. Right? We all don't listen to them audios there. We they all don't come and endorse waiting PRO Samura been they tell una yesterday, but una they deny. Una been they curse me, remove me a ghost there. You know, una malice me. But we have been telling una about some of these people una say na lie na ungratefulness they by me. Now the people una say no ungrateful. Now then don't can endorse and expose all them things there. You know, God na Karim. Allah is great. They say patient dog always eat the fattest bone. I not allow myself to be distracted. I not allow myself to be frustrated. I not allow myself to be carried away. I not allow myself to be taken away. I focus on waiting at the pan. I been don't tell una say me na APC picking and I go continue for be party picking. Whosoever will come against me party, me and you two things go fall apart. We no go ever be party. We no go ever be party. We no go ever be friends. Right? Now the APC me put force. If I support any other person, I put it second. But that not means a way come against the party tomorrow. That means I for the behind. You know, now me party are the day behind. Now that me make some of una be avoid yesterday with the aim and objective say when Samura Kamara be president, then people are waiting at the diaspora by the name of Antikadi of USA and others. Now then therefore can form Samura Kamara in cabinet. It better una self don't prove which. It better una don't know the truth. And I want to continue to talk to una Misailina brothers and sisters. I want make una know say there will be no election until 2028. There will be no other election, neither rerun or fresh election without 2028. The only thing we go make we hear other election now we country pass the overthrow Julius Maada Bio. But make we ask ourselves, when they overthrow Maada Bio today, now Samura Kamara then go put there as president. Now the APC then go put there as the next government. Make we sit down and ask ourselves, waiting me know, the people that we go overthrow, then go form their own cabinet. Then go come and form their own government. And that not go be a democratic government. It not go be a democratic cabinet. It go become a junta government. Today, we all dey under democracy, we dey suffer. If we can't allow a junta regime today, where these people wey sit down today, the SLPP pauper, now then they in charge of the police, now then they in charge of the military, now then they in charge of the ONS. If we say today we dey encourage anything like overthrow, we the APC go suffer the most casualty and we go suffer the most penalty. Now that make we know they encourage anything like illegitimate government for conformer. We know they encourage anything like overthrow, right? We go be impatient and follow legitimacy process. So me people which they don't can atone, don't can confess, which they don't come off something, don't can explain to una what you been telling una yesterday una been denied. Me people in a salon today, I want to talk to every membership of the APC for make una pay attention. Make una not allow una self for be carried away by this fool. And una way then they carry away, una become the fools. That na people we then na social media yesterday, don't na social media today, they tell una, they misinform una, they lie to una. They tell una say anytime, then go come pull President Bill for put Samura Kamara. I want for tell una say na lie, then they lie. I want for repeat this statement to una say na lie, then they lie. I not see that institution at the world way don't take the lead. I not see that institution at the world way don't can surface. I no see that institution na the world we don't come and approach Salon, say we they can pull President Bio for put Samura Kamara. I no see that institution. I no see the document. I no see nothing. Both radio, TV, I no see any sign at the dunya. We don't take that lead for say we go can pull President Bio can put Samura Kamara there. We all want to make President Bio come up. But you sit down and ask yourself, which way we want let the President Bio come up without the democratic way? Sit down and ask yourself, if President Bio come on the democratic way, we all go become beneficiary today. But if he come on the democratic way today, we go can't sit down tomorrow and begin cry because we not gonna know the intention of the people the way they come for can't take power illegitimately. We not gonna know the intention. Now poor people and go come together, drag man them, who stand them go come very full and satisfied before they call for other elections. So let we brothers and sisters within our social media only defend their survival, then they continue for lie to una, misinform una, give una fake hope, rise una hope that panting way not possible no get for happen tomorrow. May people una pay attention and focus. There will be no other election without 2028. Not to me decide on this, not to me want this, but this na the document that way Dr. Samura Matuwilson Kamara go sign na Bintu money and the tripartite. Everything we did then document them na electoral reform and institutional reform. For tell we say waiting been don't happen in the past for making not repeat itself in the future. The mistakes that will happen at the June 24, 2023 election for make them not repeat themselves in the 2028 election. I don't know why Samura Kamara dishonest, disloyal, hate the people of Salon. No one come out and tell them the truth. But I not go blame Samura Kamara. Now the people away they continue for carry themselves away because then document the way Samura Kamara signed then at the public domain. When he needed to ask for them, then can send them to you. If you don't understand, you go to Bookman, they make the reader to you and understand. Make you know say nothing no they under foresee them for say them go can do rerun of first election or neither them for pull president. You put Samura. You know then none of the documents there. Me people and the true a bitter. But if I make some of you they tell you the truth, rather than would they tell you things then, who na one for year by the end of the day, no they happen. Nobody no want to delay matter be all day na state house for 1 hour safe. But ask yourself how it go happen. Now we can talk on our social media go make it go happen. Now we can give people a fake hope go make it happen. Now we can raise people a hope go make it happen. Now we can tell people waiting they want for year make it happen. Because that's not the world where everybody want for year today. But sit down and ask yourself, now where people can talk on our social media go make it happen. No. Everything a process and procedure. When that process and procedure don't fail you, you get for sit down and focus and correct the past mistakes there. For waiting be don't happen, making or repeating self again. And now then document then Dr. Samura Matuwilson Kamara go sign. Now then document then Dr. Samura Matuwilson Kamara don't present to President Bio for make them implement them. Right? So me people there una pay attention. Then nun compun good for nothing. Then hundlons, then fool not allow una self for be fools by the fool. Right? The second message today, me people, I want to talk to every APCians, every sober-minded Sierra. You want for be member of the APC? Go out now and be part of the ongoing registration and verification process. If you allow people and way they hide, then suburb, not they go for no party activities, not they go for no public gathering. They tell you say, una not participate in the ongoing registration, una not go register. So don't ask yourself. Some of them go down, I secretly don't go participate. Una they hear most of them now, the likes of the west of northwest there, the Mr. Red, the other people there, they say they get for can contest for positions there. And nobody not qualify for contest for no position without you not a member of the APC. Nobody not go be member of this APC without you not go through the ongoing registration and verification process. So una sit down and ask una self, how these people ya go can tell una say then they go for position without they not register and not verify. Most of them don't go secretly don't go verify me people. But una sit down, then they tell una say make una no go register. Then they tell una say make una no go verify. Then they tell una say no una no go pa no APC activities. Make una see how these people self is greed and useless. How you want delegate them? How you want people them for go vote you? You dey tell people and say make them no go register. This na the thing this way so funny to me. You say you dey go contest for position at the party, but you say make people and no go verify and register. The other people and they can tell them people and make them go
So
out
we
and
don't
register and
listen
verify. Other people and they
and
pay for the
share.
young people and for go register and verify. But you say make people and no go register and verify, but you say they contest for position. Who that get for go vote for you? Who say you get for pull delegate them for go vote for you? Because every position na election get for go back. You nobody no go register for you. You not pay for nobody for go register. You not pay for nobody for go verify. Then you the kind of media tell people and say make them not go register and verify. But he can tell people and say you they go for position. Who say get for pull delegate there? Who that get for go vote for you, me people? Make we sit down and use common sense na ya. If them people ya they lead una to the right way or not to the wrong way, then they lead una sit down and pick sense and ask una self. How me go can't tell una say they go for position at the party, but at the same time I dey tell una say make una no go register and verify. Who that therefore go vote for me tomorrow? Who say I expect for go pull delegates then tomorrow for go vote for me? And people that will register and verify now then therefore go be delegates then. So who that therefore go vote for me be people Anyway, senselessness they lead other people and for follow the same senseless idea. Could you imagine? People always say then they go for position. Now then they can tell una say make una not participate in the ongoing registration and verification. But at the end of the day, they say then they go contest for position. But people una say don't ask una self. Then people are serious about waiting and they talk. They mean waiting and they talk. Who that get for go vote for them? Who that get for go make them become chairman or honorable? Who say then get for pull delegate them people and make we sit down and ask ourselves. So I want to encourage every APCians across the globe. Go out now. Before you say, if I be no, now the term this if I go out and correct them mistakes there. Go meet your district chairmans, your ward chairman, constituency chairmans, your honorable, your regional executive. Go meet them for make you go through the ongoing verification and registration process. Right? And again, I go on for tell the APC leadership plenty thank you. For una not allow una self to be distracted by these fools, these terrorists, these rebel groups where them been getting your mission for can hijack the APC. Because all about them people the mission na for can hijack the APC na mission fail. Na the mission backfire. Right? Now something let them down. When we stand against them, we say no to the ideas. We say no to the negativity mentality. Today, we succeed over there and we overcome them. Now the frustration and karma now in the work on them. So now they don't can begin confess and expose themselves. Anything we person they can Fred Hacker. Fred Hacker. Some of these people not be nowhere to be found yesterday. When we been the suffer for this APC understand. When we been the suffer for Samora Kamara understand for let become flag bearer. These people nowhere to be found there. Today, they can't grab for take the praise. Today, they can't grab for take the sour. Then today, they grab for can eat the benefit. God self-hate ugly something. God not support anything. We're not straightforward and we're not correct. Now that make today then the disgrace. Right? So I want to tell the APC leadership plenty thank you for us focus and pure pay attention. And I want to tell the membership of the APC and the people of Sierra say, Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, now the best Secretary General ever in the history of the APC we don't get. We want to tell Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya plenty thank you. We want to compliment the effort of Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. And we want to continue for stand with Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. And we want to continue for tell Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, make you not allow yourself to be distracted by anyone. Keep on the good job. Force industry for make the APC go na electronic world. Force industry for make it in a host through your phone, your tablet, or your computer. he can know everything about the APC. Bravo, Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya, and we salute you. We go continue for stand by you. Right? We want to tell this man plenty thank you. For say I no get APC constitution and I go na so for go buy an meter. Now you can just download the app na your phone. You click what you want for know about. It can come and display na your phone. If na the party constitution, the biography of the party, the OYA, everything, the ongoing registration and verification process, everything about the APC. You the left little na pay the only phone. You do everything in this year. It can make a payment through online na the app. You can make a donation through online now na the app as soon as you get money na your phone. Bravo, and we want for grab and salute you, Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. I want for tell you plenty thank you. We pray that anything we put on past success will continue for come out today. Anything we must, God will continue for putting blessing. And also we want for tell the flag bearer, the intending flag bearer aspirant, they all plenty thank you. The likes of the Dr. Richard Conte, the likes of the Dr. Kaifala Mara, the Dr. Ibrahim Bangura, the lawyer Sofian Kaloko, the lawyer Abubakar Kaloko, right? We see the Bai Mahmoud, the Cherno Ramadan Majuba Elias Cherikoko, so many others, the likes of the Jagabande, the Ombre Golide. These people are all over the place. They can at the aid of them people at this difficult time. They support them people and they help them people and give them people helping hands. But dear, una not forget we say for not say because this person not in a camp and not forget me helping hands inside this holy month of Ramadan. Thing not easy. Now manage you, the manage you. We know they buy, we know they sell, we know they take month salary. But we not go they go and meet una for go and big like other people and they do in the name saying now we they fight the right cause. Now the party we put first. We put the party above una the flag bearer aspirants there all today. But dear, una can at the aid of we safety not easy for una. If una bobo then they listen to them messages, they make them forward them to una. We will stand with the party. We not get any personal somebody today for say na me they assist them people just because we say na the party we stand for. The flag bearer aspirant, the most of them today, if you know they na them camp, the help not they need you. The help not go come to you. But dear, mekuna no say na this party na ingwebu mekuna. This party na ingwebu mekuna become president. This party na ingwebu make the intention we wanna get for become flag bearer and leader of the party, it come to pass. So we will stand for that party. Una not forget for we self in the ongoing distributions the una they undertake. We get families the way they hope to we self inside this Ramadan. We get party, we get brothers and sisters there. We hope to we self inside this Ramadan. We get we wife and we picking the whole self. They pull every day for give them, for let them be part of this goodness way inside this holy month of Ramadan. So una the intending flag bearer aspirant there. Then distribution and donations the una they do across the country. Una they call some of we self. Una goodness make it reach to we. We go pray. And this holy month of Ramadan, the Lord Almighty Allah and I say, anything within my mind, when a goodness, where they wish for yourself, in country and other people, ask me the Lord Almighty Allah inside this holy month of Ramadan. I go respond to your prayers. Now that make they ask you not only the last 10 days, but every amount of prayer we go able to conduct inside this holy month of Ramadan during the day, during the night. In the Lord Almighty Allah say, no, they say no angel for can't take the goodness or the percentage way they inside this holy month of Ramadan. He say in the God self now in the calculate the goodness and the percentage way they inside this Ramadan, he give everybody in your percentage. So why we all not go be part of that? Why we all not go be part of this goodness? So we want for tell una the intending flag bearer aspirant them plenty thanking. We dey see una goodness the una they distribute across the country. And we want for talk to una supporters there. Do ya? If you believe in Dr. Richard Conte, support Dr. Richard Conte and market Dr. Richard Conte. Not come and cause Dr. Ibrahim Bangura in your people or your supporters there. You way they support Dr. Ibrahim Bangura. Marketer and supporter, but not go against Dr. Kaifala Mara in supporters there or Dr. Kaifala Mara. Make everybody go out and market himself. At the end of the day, now the delegates then go decide, right? Make we allow everybody go about in campaign. No personal attack, no mommy calls, no insultive word, no accuse somebody by waiting no depend. Market your candidate and focus on your candidate. This na my message. Uno listen and feel free for share. Please, patient, we don't listen or download. Share the message for the benefit of others. Una listen and share this message far and wide. You were the listening. Patient and share this message for the benefit of others.